Got a primary clutch out of a '02 Yamaha SX Viper. Trying to figure out how this thing came apart. Took me a while to figure this out. Right now I have it in my press and I'm just holding that shaft with the press, and I had to heat up around here a few times to get the Loctite to melt, and eventually I was able to get this thing to turn. It's reverse threads, so righty loosey, lefty tighty. I have a flywheel tool here that works pretty good for getting this thing to turn, but I did have to start out with my air hammer. Was doing a little bit of walking like this just to break it free. Once it's broke free, you can put your tool in here and unthread it. It's not a press fit. I'm just using the press to hold the shaft so I can turn this. I don't have any special tools really, just this press and a flywheel tool and torches and an air hammer. Took me a while to figure this out, and couldn't really find any videos, so I figured I'd make one. This is it's a little hot right now. It's a threaded piece there that holds this all together. So hope that helps someone.